So we're gonna do a row number, the basic. So we're gonna assign a sequential number to every employee ordered by salary. So for that we will do a select. We're getting the first name. Well, actually, let me do the from employees. So, okay, there. So we're getting first name plus concatenation. We're getting the last name. And we're gonna call this full name. Salary, and here we're gonna apply the function row number over, and we're gonna order by salary in a descendant order. We're gonna call this a salary rank, as you can see it here, from employees. We're gonna run this, and this is what is happening. So we're getting the first name and the last name as a full name column, which is here. We're getting the salary, and we're getting row number over, and we're getting salary in a descending order. So this function here is important to create this salary rank column. So one observation that I have to tell you about this is that we just rank the salaries from, you know, the biggest to the lowest and just number the rows. If we would like to actually get, for example, get me the second employee that has the biggest salary in the table or in the list, so we cannot like specify where salary rank equals 2, because we will get an error. For example, if we did where salary rank equals 2, then that you see the engine is even, the editor is even detecting an error. So it's like this column wouldn't exist. So for that, to get the second employee with the biggest salary, then we will have to use a common table expression. So I'm gonna undo this to keep it like this, and I'm gonna just write it down here real quick because I think this is a good example. So we're gonna do the ranked employees as. So this is our temporary table where we can get the rank table number, the rank salary number 2 out of this temporary table, instead of, you know, trying to put it in the work class, because it wouldn't work. So select, we will do a select. Let me just pull out the table from employees. And we're gonna do select first name. Oh, actually I can copy this. First name as full name, salary, row number, salary rank. I can actually copy all this and paste it there. From employees. Now with rank table as select from employees. Okay, now we can get the select. So we're getting the full name and salary full name and salary from the ranked employees table, where salary rank is here equals 2. With rank employees as select first name, full name, salary rank. Okay, let me see. And there it is. There it is. So let's run both. Let's run this one. Okay, so Michael Thompson is actually It's actually, there it is. That was the error. That was the semicolon was causing this kind of grammar error, but everything is fine. We'll see. So the second employee with the highest salary would be Michael Thompson. Salary rank number 2. It has 112,000, and that's actually true because we got him out of this common table expression, performing the row number over, and we partitioned it by salary in a descending order and started to rank the rows from top to bottom, from numbers 1 to n, but we order by salary in a descending order to start numbering with number 1, number 2, number 3, and going up. So as you can see it here, this is this one, and with the common table expression and then selecting out of that CTE, we got the second employee with the highest salary out of the employees table. Okay, next we're gonna perform a row number over partition, but now we're going to partition by department. So we're gonna restart the row number for each department. This is the qualify row over partition pattern. So this is when we are actually partitioning and ranking the rows depending on a classification existing in another column. So we start with 1, 2, 3, and then another classification happens, 1, 2, 3, another one, for example, one manager for an employee, and the rows are repeating a lot. So you're partitioning by manager, let's say, so you can get the latest manager that an employee had in an employee table. So you get like, I don't know, Mary had 3 different managers over the past year. So we want to get the most recent manager that Mary is currently having. We want to get that one, not the previous ones. So that's where you would actually partition it, this data set. So you can get the latest manager for Mary, and then you partition it by the last date that this manager was assigned to Mary. So that's another way to partition it. I'm gonna show it to you so that you can understand it in a better way. But the idea of partitioning data and ranking the rows is the concept is that one, to get, for example, the latest of something for another something. Okay, let me show it to you. So we're gonna do a select, and we're gonna do our from employees. From employees, from the employees table. This is gonna be called as E. We're gonna get E dot, we're getting the first name, concatenation, E dot last name, this would be the full name, D dot department, E dot salary. So we're gonna perform here an inner join because we want to also get the departments table, and we're gonna do it with an inner join. Departments D on E dot department ID equals D dot department ID. Okay, so here E dot first name, concatenation, full name, department name, salary. Okay, we're gonna do the row number over partition by E dot department, department ID. So here we're restarting. Let's actually just put a comment here. Here, restart. We're gonna restart the counter per department. Okay, and we're gonna order by e.salary in a descending order. So here we're getting the highest salary. Highest salary, it will be equals row 1. And this is gonna be called as ranking department. Okay, from employees E inner join, and we're gonna order by d.department name and ranking depth. Okay, let's run this, and there we have it.